Hi, my name is Brian Dress from Ansley RV, and we're going to talk about the iconic 2023 Airstream Flying Cloud 30FB. It's going to be equipped with two 30-pound LP tanks, power tongue jack. As you can see it, nice windows with rock guards. And this unit is also going to be equipped with the awnings on this side. As we make our way back to the back, it's going to have an outdoor shower, your city connection, and as we come back to the back of the unit, it's going to be equipped with a backup camera. As we come to the other side of the unit, you're going to see it's set up with a full-length awning. This unit will come with industry-leading Goodyear Endurance tires. As we make our way into the Airstream, you're going to see a nice bench seat here. Fit about 3 to 4 people. And up here at the windows, you're going to get a nice cross breeze as you open your windows. Above your windows, you're going to have plenty of storage. As we make our way down here, you're going to have your sink and your countertop. On the opposite side, we're going to have our dinette. This dinette's going to be able to fit about 4 to 5 people. And this will also give you extra sleeping space because this will also fold down to make a bed. Then as we come around to the master bedroom, as you can see, it's a full queen, and you're going to have plenty of storage above your bed and on the sides. You got underbed storage. You can put away all your belongings, and you can also access this with the bed down with a door on the outside. And on this side of the dinette, you're going to have your TV for all your viewing pleasures. And right beside your dinette, you're going to have your refrigerator, which is very spacious. And on this side of the dinette, underneath the sink, you're going to have plenty of storage, but it also comes with a spot for a garbage can. As we move over, you're going to find your microwave and your stove. Then as we work our way down, you're going to have plenty of pantry storage. On this side of the unit, you're going to have plenty of space to hang some extra clothing, along with some drawers below your wardrobe. And as we make our way back to the coach, you're going to see the bunks. You're going to have a bottom bunk and a top bunk. And also you're going to have your TV over here where the kids can watch their TV. And this is going to be a very spacious bathroom. As you can see, you got your shower, your toilet, and your sink. And to conclude the walkthrough on the 2023 Flying Cloud 30FB, my name is Brian Dress from Ansley RV. You're welcome to come take a look at this unit at our sales office. Thank you.